All right, so this is not your average 7th and 8th grade classroom. We're in Cicero at Unity Junior High, and we're talking to the underwater robotics team. Yeah, probably not something that you accomplished this early in life. We're going to be talking to a couple students. First, I'm going to start with you, Caleb. Now, you are a 8th grader, and there are different sections, right, with this underwater robotics team. But tell me specifically about your robot and what the point of it was.
So the point of our robot was to complete tasks to help coral restoration, because there's coral in the sea that is losing tissue, and there's many other causes for the coral getting damaged. So our robot has a slant on both sides to decrease surface area, because the less surface area there is, the faster it is. So we also tested different types of propellers on motors to see what was the fastest and what would help us drive better. So there was a bigger propeller with higher pitch and diameter, which made it faster. So, but it added more to our budget, which was not the best. So we ended up going with the stock propeller, which was better for our robot.
Wow, and I think we're going to be seeing some video of it all in action too. What's your robot's name real quick, Caleb?
Our robot's name is Umiko.
Okay, Tatiana, you also worked on your own robot as well.
Yes.
What is the name of your robot? And give us a short synopsis of what it does.
Their name is Bobified. They also pick up coral and complete tasks in the water. It also goes through hoops very quickly. The slant is for speed and aerodynamics. For my team, we made 5 different robots, iterations, and this is our final one. We used all the elements from our previous prototypes to make the perfect version Bobified.
Wow, you must be pretty proud of yourself. Did you ever think you'd go into 8th grade and have a robot done by the end of the year?
I did this last year, but when I first came into Unity last year, I didn't think I would even make the team.
Tatiana, you're so cool. Okay, we're going to also be talking to Mark here. So, Mark, you're a 7th grader, and you actually have what it was catching already on the robot, correct?
I'm sorry, what's the question?
Yeah, well, you already have the... So, let me start over because it's recorded, so that's the good part about this thing. It's okay. Okay, so, Mark, you also have a robot here, and... What are you showing with this little piece on the end? Is this what you were supposed to catch?
Yes, so what these are the props that we find in the multiple mission cruises that we do. So what we're supposed to do we're supposed to pick these up and then set them in designated areas. So for this object right here, it's a sensor. So what we do is usually it'd be hung up. So we drive our ROV to go pick up this prop, and then we'd set it down at a hole placed meant to catch the sensor. So we'd get points for leaving it there, and really just working with these props.
Oh, how exciting. Okay, Alex, was this a really hard project, or once you guys got going as a team, were you able to figure out pretty fast together?
The start was rough. It was mostly just like grabbing pieces and see what would fit together. So it's kind of like if you were to look at this one, it's a little off the shape. But
yeah, so it's a little different.
Yeah, so it's just like kind of, for us, it was just putting them together and then like making them longer or shorter if we need to. But there was some problems on the way, so I would say it was pretty difficult, yeah.
Yeah, learning new things along the way. Alex, thank you very much for showing off all your work. Okay, now we're going to talk to the teacher who made it all happen, Miss Masheri. So, Miss Masheri, how proud are you of these students who have so much accomplished?
I am so proud. This is an amazing group of very dedicated students who've worked many hard hours, and they are just dedicated to being future engineers and being successful this season. So.
Look at them working away. Also, I understand that you guys are going to Maryland in a couple weeks, which is a big deal as well.
Yeah, each of these teams placed in the Wisconsin regionals in March, so they got first, second, and third place, and they get to go to the International Challenge at University of Maryland. It's going to bring together, I think it's 179 teams this year, and they get to collaborate with their fellow engineers, and we'll see how they do.
Yeah. You'll probably see bright futures for all of these students, don't you?
Oh, absolutely. I could see them heading to different universities for engineering programs. They all are wonderful individuals.
Okay, Unity Junior High here in Cicero, some really cool things going on. Remember, they're taking it to another level. Not only a robotics team, but an underwater robotics team. We'll have more information on our website, fox32chicago.com. Okay, I'll send it back to you in the studio.